Septic tank additives can be a great way to maintain and improve the functionality of your septic system. In this video, we will guide you on how to use a septic tank additive safely and effectively. When selecting a septic tank additive, it's essential to choose the right product that is compatible with your septic system. Look for additives that are specifically designed for septic tanks and have a proven track record of effectiveness. Before using a septic tank additive, carefully read and understand the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Follow the recommended dosage and application instructions to ensure safe and efficient usage. To safely use a septic tank additive, it's crucial to follow proper application techniques. This may involve flushing the additive directly into the toilet or distributing it evenly across the drain field. Always adhere to the instructions provided to prevent any potential issues. While using a septic tank additive is generally safe, it's important to take necessary precautions to prevent accidental ingestion or contact with eyes and skin. Wear gloves, avoid direct contact with the additive, and store it in a secure place away from children and pets. Using a septic tank additive is only one part of maintaining a healthy septic system. Regular monitoring and maintenance, such as pumping the tank periodically and keeping track of system performance, are equally important for optimal functionality. In conclusion, a septic tank additive can be a valuable tool in maintaining your septic system's health. By choosing the right additive, following instructions, and taking necessary precautions, you can safely use it to enhance the performance and longevity of your septic system.